In this tutorial, we are going to show you how you can find out duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. For this, we are going to select some data here. Here you can see some demo data, which is order number, amount, and we have another column which is duplicate flag. Here we will count if the order number is duplicate. So let's start how we do it. Enter equal, then write count if. Then this is our range, which is our range, and order number is our range. Then you need to fix this column or fix this value. For this you just need to enter F4 of your keyboard. There will be a dollar sign. Then put a comma and then criteria, and order number is our criteria. Then close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see that order number 3 times appears. So this is a duplicate value. And if we drag it or double click this, then we can see that order number 11002 is not duplicate. On the other hand, order number 11004 is duplicate. Now we just need to color this duplicate value. For this, we are just selecting these values and then go to conditional formatting. Here you can see new rows. Click there and use formula to determine which cell is formatted, and we are going to enter a formula here. This is equal, and just we need to select this duplicate flags value, and we are going to remove dollar sign from them and just enter greater than 1. If the value is greater than 1, then this is duplicate value. You already know that. So just format this with a fill color. Suppose we are selecting this color, then click OK. Then click OK. You can see that those are the duplicate values. And if you want to show it easily, you can do it. Just select this value and go to sort and filter. Just custom sort and sort by your order number. Just smallest to largest. Click OK. Now you can see that those are your duplicate values, and 3 is duplicate and 4 is also duplicate, but 05 and 02 is not duplicated. So this is how you can easily find out your duplicate values and color in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you for watching.